Hello, welcome back to this week's video. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie. If you'd like to be a part of my adventure, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into it. So today is the Matsuri in Sano. So today they're doing the dancing and like a horse kind of duel thing, but my family, my second cousins are getting together and their daughter's coming from Tokyo, so instead of going to the Matsuri, the festival, we're going, well, me and my second cousin are going to go to Utsunomiya to meet up with family, and apparently there's really good fireworks, so if the weather's good, then we might go see some fireworks. So we're standing in line for a bus to go to a festival. So the bus is like, the line for the bus to buy the ticket is about 30 minutes long. And while we're standing here, it just completely rained and I am drenched because the couple behind us didn't have an umbrella, so I gave them my umbrella while I hopped under the umbrella with my cousin, and the back part of my shirt is completely drenched. My makeup isn't waterproof, so I have it running down my face. So hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. I hate being, well, I really strongly dislike being drenched, like while I'm wearing clothes. So right now I'm living my worst nightmare because I am drenched head to toe. I had to take my socks off because my joggers are like walking in puddles. My mascara is run, so it looks like I haven't slept. And like, my wet clothes are just sticking to me. These fireworks better be worth it. Stood in line for nearly an hour. We have been completely drenched with rain, and they have cancelled the fireworks to put them on tomorrow because of the weather. Yay! My feet. This is just a really uncomfortable feeling. Hi guys, so we are back from Utsunomiya. We got back around 2, it's now like 5. Did my face, and I'm about to go to the Sano Sano festival. As you can probably hear right outside, I'll see if I can show you kind of what it looks like from where my room is. But yesterday they did it, but we didn't go, we went to Utsunomiya, and then so today they're going to do the omikoshi, which is the portable shrines, and they're doing just all the stores. Yesterday was like the dancing part and some sort of horse duel thingy, but anyway, let's have a look. Oh, I forgot to mention, so I'm going to the festival, then coming back to put on my yukata for the night time, just going in normal day clothes, I guess, Western style clothes. And then I'm meeting up with one of my auntie's friends who I know from childhood, but we haven't met for a few years, so it'd be good to catch up. So hopefully there's some good in my brain. So I decided to change shirt because I was planning on wearing like nice wedges, which are shoes. But then I was like, it doesn't match my shirt, so I changed my shirt. We're about to go, be back in an hour to change into a yukata and do my hair. massive, of course, Sano jumping pillow. Castle, not pillow.
いや、さすがです。やっぱ大阪の方で隙間見つけたらしっかり PR まで入れるからね、この全力さでございますよ。では続いて群馬ちゃん前に来ていただいて、アテンドの方から一言意気込みいただきましょう。じゃあこちらに来ていただいて、さあ後ろで立ちを披露しております。
Done my hair, there's a flower accessory, about to go back out to the festival, so
参加されるみこし、お囃子、各団体の皆様は所定の位置へお集まりください。
So apparently all the omikoshis or the portable shrines are just apparently going to line up. Really good, but I think we're like arguing now. I don't know. See what I have no idea what's going on, but it looks like drama. Yamero kind of means like don't do it. So omikoshi orose is put down your omikoshi.
おいい加減にしろよこの野郎。おめえぼっこすんじゃねえんだよおめえ一人で時をこの野郎。台無しにしてんじゃねえんだそこは。おいやめろってんだよこの野郎。行ってこいほら。
Whatever happened, and they still haven't gone back to what they're doing. They're still, all the omikishi's still down, they're still getting mad, I guess. They're not yelling on the microphone anymore, but it's been like 5 minutes and still, nothing's gone back to normal, so. Okay. We are back on. Everything's good now. So the festival has come to an end. I'm in regular clothes now, not my yukata. But so today's the 12th of August, and tomorrow will be the 13th, and tomorrow is when Obon or Bon starts. So it'll go until the 15th of August, but it changes depending on what region you are in Japan. So what Bon or Obon is a it's sort of like the ancestral spirits come back to your family house. So you've set out all your little shrines, because in each Japanese house they've got like a little shrine for their ancestors or parents or something like that, people who have loved ones who've passed away. And so they come back to the house or something, I'm not exactly quite sure, but they come back to their house, and you celebrate their spirits, and it's just kind of in a way sort of a family reunion. So all the family members living come together, and all the family members who have passed come together in the house, and you serve them food, and it's just sort of remembering them and saying thank you in a way. And so they come, you're all together, and then on the 15th by fire they go back, you guide them back to I guess heaven, but I don't think they call it heaven in Japan, something else. You send them back to where they come from, I guess. So that starts tomorrow. Hey everyone, so today officially Bon has started in Sano. So I went with my grandparents to my grandmother's parents and her side of the family's graves. So we lit incense sticks, gave them food, water, and special flowers that you give on the Bon period. And then we came home and set up the shrine inside the house, because that's apparently where they are. See, what I thought was you literally went to their grave and got their grave and took it home, but no, it's you just visit them, give them all the food, flowers, incense sticks, pray, and then come home and set up the shrine here in your house, and that's where they are. Yeah. And then I think tomorrow a priest comes and he'll pray, Buddhist priest. Anyway, good night.